Welcome to this tutorial. How to delete YouTube history on Android. History feature in YouTube app keeps a record of what you have searched and watched. You can re-watch a video without any more further search. If you want to delete the YouTube history on Android, then follow these steps. Open the YouTube app. Tap on the profile icon at the top right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. From the Settings list, tap on History and Privacy. Now you will have two options to clear the watch history and search history. Tap on Clear Watch History, and on the confirmation box tap again on the Clear Watch History. Tap on Clear Search History, and then tap again on Clear Search History. You can also pause watch history or search history. By turning this feature on, it will prevent to remove your past history. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.